Ah!
After the 16th race of the 2021 NASCAR Cup Series season, Ryan Blaney only has 7 top 10s and 2 top 5s. Reed Sorenson has won 4 NASCAR Xfinity Series races. Christopher Bell is locked into the 2021 NASCAR All-Star race after winning at the Daytona Road Course back in February. Heading into this weekend at Texas Motor Speedway, Joey Logano has only one win at that track. Back in the 2000s, Matt Kenseth competed against other champions in the Motorsport Series IROC. He even won the 2004 IROC Championship. Darrell Waltrip won the 1989 Daytona 500. Kenny Wallace has won 9 NASCAR Xfinity Series races. His last one came in 2001. Ernie Irvan retired after suffering a terrible crash at Michigan International Speedway in 1999. This card is a base card from the 2018 NASCAR trading card set. Clint Boyer won the 2008 NASCAR Nationwide Series Championship.